You guys know me already. I just block people. I don't go back and forth with people, so you're not going to see any craziness under this post. But I do want to address some of the things that people are saying. I'm labeled angry and aggressive, so I'm just going to own that and continue that legacy with this post. A lot of women coming at me saying, but I love cooking. There's nothing wrong with cooking. I don't know why you have to hate on women who love to cook. Let me just say this. Yes, there are totally some women who find joy in being in the kitchen all day. They love it. There are some women who find joy in carrying the holiday season on their backs and making sure the elves get moved and everything gets coordinated and all the decorations go up and everybody's in their matching Christmas sweater for the Christmas family portrait every year. And I love that for y'all. But let me just choose violence today, as I'm accused of doing all the time. I can't get any rest. A lot of you guys, you love slaving away in the kitchen because loving being of service to other people is your factory default setting under patriarchy. You are set to measure your value according to how productive you are and how you serve other people. Next thing is, a lot of you feel as if you have no control in any other area of your life. So cooking is the one area where you can exercise the control you don't have anywhere else. Your man is a loser. Y'all can't get on one page about your kids, or he's just really a warm body in the house. He's not doing shit else. So cooking and organizing stuff is the one thing that you can do to feel some kind of control and significance. And lucky for you, because of patriarchy, your man is probably not going to argue with you when it comes to cooking, cleaning, and organizing. He's going to let you have that. I was once like you. And I would totally be annoyed by women who would say shit like I said in this very video. And it would just irk me. Well, there's nothing wrong with it. I love doing it. But you know what? When I got to know myself and did a little growing and did a little healing and dropped that idiot ass of a husband that I had, I realized I really didn't like any of that shit. And my worth is not measured in my productivity. And I don't have to uphold any traditions. I can make my own or not do certain things if I don't want to. I also don't want my daughter thinking that she has to also slave away and carry everything on her back. I don't want my son feeling that way. I don't want my son expecting another woman to do those things, because men always be like, I admire my mom because she worked so hard and she did everything. Red flag, because he's going to expect that from you too. So before you come for me, first of all, watch who you're fucking talking to. And second, if you're really doing what's best for you, you're not going to come for me, because you're going to have peace that you're doing what's best for you and you're not going to give a fuck about what I'm doing. Have a good day.